So we have our baby box. I don't know if anyone really even knows what the baby box is, but in Scotland you can apply for the free baby box full of, well, we'll see, full of goodies.
Yeah, we're about to find out.
So yeah, and it's, what is it? It's the bit giving all children the best start. So yeah.
Yeah, so when did you get it and how did you apply for
it? The midwife talks you through it all, but basically it's just, you just need to give them your details and your due date, and they give you it sort of between 30 and 35 weeks. So it came, 33 weeks today, but it came last week.
Okay. I think it's only been a week, yeah.
But the box itself is so cute. It's got a bit on it for putting the name and the date of birth. And people say that you can do like your family tree and the dog's in the box. Yeah, and then obviously when the baby's bigger,
Careful.
they can colour it in. So it's got little stuff on it. So,
I'm not sure how much they can see down into it, but it's pretty full.
yes.
Now, Jarvis, there's nothing for you in there. Jarvis, why don't you sit up here, please? Come up here, please. Come on. Pass the lid. Good boy.
So
Sit
there's
there.
a list of things that's in the baby box, so we'll go through that as we go. And you get a little piece of art. Hello wee one, we chose this painting especially for you. That's from the National Galleries of Scotland.
Oh, okay. I missed that one.
And then these are just little leaflets, I think. Yeah. Leaflets. Safety instructions on where to put the box and not to be silly with the box. A nappy for a voucher for reusable nappies if you're wanting to do that. 5 stay dry nappy pads and 1 waterproof nappy. I don't know how you claim that, but. And then a Scottish poem. Go on, Cameron. Dare you.
Yeah, I'm not going to get this very well. Welcome, wee one. Oh, my darling wee one. At last you are here in the world, and we eye your wisdom. You're e'en breeked as the stars. You filled this house with light. Your trusty wee hon, your ghost o' a heed, your
No.
something yin my
Where?
heart's that word.
Cherished.
Oh, my cherished in my heart's gin. Oh, my darling wean, your the hail world welcomes ye. The mun's gloats, the hearth wanes. Let your life hae luck, health, charm. Ye are my bonny blessed bairn, my small miraculous gift. I never ken love this like this. Jackie K.
Yeah. I think we all come with this little Scottish poem. Okay, so what do we have?
I don't know, but I'm going to move the dog.
Why?
No,
You
you're
don't
being
like
good.
to join in?
You know what? Should I bring a bed for him?
If you want.
Nah, he's not going to sit in bed. You just work away, sorry. I'll entertain him.
So we have some books. We have a pram book.
Right, you're going to be a pain. Come here, you.
So out and about, different cars. Ah, okay. A rainbow rocket. Oh, an ice cream van. So that's just one that clips onto the pram.
Oh, okay, that's smart.
Go, and then another book called All About Me. Ah, so it's little things to kind of tell them that they show me you can clap your hands, show me you can touch your toes, copy me and touch your nose, little things like that. That's cute.
Nice.
And then round and round the garden.
Oh, yes. That's my favourite. It's not. It's one of them.
Round the garden.
Like a teddy
Like
bear.
a teddy bear.
1 step, 2 step.
One step, 2 step. Tickly under
Tickly
there.
under there. No? Okay, fine.
No. Yeah, that's cute.
Nice.
Do you want the list?
Yes, I will keep the list. I will show you the list after this.
Okay, a little.
Jarvis. Instruction 4. Keep pets away from boxes at all times. You're exactly that picture. Your head is in the
You're
box.
not doing a very good job, monkey. No, you can't.
You can't have
that
this.
right now. So a little. What are they called?
A snuggle blanket friend.
What does it say it's called in there?
Oh, okay. Does it actually have a name in this? A long sleeve bodysuit?
Why are you playing it?
It's right beside that thing.
Don't be silly.
Uh,
A comforter.
oh, a comforter,
A
yes.
comforter.
A comforter. That is very adorable and
So
bright.
all the boxes come with pretty much the same in them.
But the items can slightly
They
vary.
can slightly vary, but they don't do like it's all just unisex, so they don't do girls
Okay.
and boys stuff.
So it's whites and yellows and greys.
Mhm.
Okay, so what's the first?
So this is a blanket, I think. Cellular blanket, is that what they're
Okay.
called? Because they can breathe through them.
Okay.
Yeah, because they've got loads of little holes in them, so if it did go over, they're a bit safer, safe sleeping.
Okay.
Blanket.
Totally like it.
And then a towel, I think. Has it got a little hood? Oh, it does.
Oh, so it has a little pocket hood.
A little gnome hood. Little towel. That's quite soft, actually. Soft towel. And then, I feel like we failed to mention the exciting part about the box, that it can be used.
Oh, we'll get to that when it's emptied.
But here's the sheets and stuff for it.
Okay, yeah. So the box itself can be used as a bed, which I don't know how close that is. In fact, you could show it to the other camera, to the right. Just hold it that way up. So hopefully that will have focused, and you can see that it is also usable as a bed. There is a thin mattress at the bottom,
Yes, I'll show you
which
that.
we'll show you that when we get to it.
But these are the sheets specifically sized for the mattress that goes in the box.
Oh, okay.
So fitted sheets, I think there's 2 here. And there should be a waterproof one, should there not?
So,
Or maybe it's already on it, I'm not sure. So yeah, 2 just plain white sheets that fit the mattress in the box.
very good.
So that's very handy. A travel changing mat. We like that, don't we, Jarvis? Oh, careful. I'm not going to open this out, but
Okay.
just a changing mat. Okay. Little muslin squares. Apparently you can't have enough of these, but I think we have a lot.
Yeah, we have a lot of those. We have overflowing.
They keep
of
releasing
those.
different Disney ones in Primark and we just keep buying them and they're like packs of 5, so we have a lot of those, but that's 3 little... 3?
Jarvis, up on the couch, please.
3 little muslin squares. A playmat. A playmat.
It's not for you.
In a little carry case, it's
You
cute.
can show them under that one what's on it.
Well, I
There's
think
not
that
a good preview through it. Okay.
it's just got like A, B, C and 1, 2, 3. I don't really know. It looks good. And there's a cow on it.
What's on the other side?
A bunny. And the number 1. Number 1. Careful, monkey. That's not for you. We have the baby wrap. Now, apparently this is fantastic when they're really little newborns. So, yeah, it's like a sling, baby sling. We'll have fun trying to figure out how to work that. We have a little teether, a little sheep teether. Sheep. I don't know if you can see that on that one.
This is just a hole through the middle of it, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
And a sponge, a duck sponge for the bath. It's cute. Baby sponge for bathing. And more for baths, the digital bath thermometer to make sure the bath's not too hot. And you can just use it in the room as well, I guess, for the baby's room. It's got an alarm if it's too hot. That's good.
That's good. But does it come with batteries?
Probably not. Maybe. An ear thermometer. And what am I trying to say? Like an ear thermometer. Like a digital one. That's what I'm trying to say. So it'll be more accurate. It's digital, so you're not having to read it on a scale thing. Which we needed. I knew this would be in the box, so I didn't buy one of these. Everyone goes raves about that. Condoms. To make sure no more babies.
Yeah, not right now.
Breast pads and maternity pads, both handy for hospital bag, which I need to get packed soon. Definitely. And we're running out of space.
Okay.
Right, so I think that we have loads of, well, a couple of different clothes, styles of clothes in different sizes. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So we have 0 to 3 socks. They look quite big compared to our 0 to 3
Yeah,
socks.
they're massive.
And then 3 to 6 socks. Washing instructions and everything on them. Socks. And then mittens, just one hat. Mittens and hat. That hat looks massive. What size is that? 0 to 3? That looks massive.
That is a big hat.
That looks too big. We've got little hats and they're nowhere near that big. Okay. Hat and mittens. What's this? Bib. Oh, that's cute. Little bib from birth. I think we're into the clothes. I think the little ones. Just double check. Yeah, newborn. So, newborn, again, that looks massive compared to what we've
It
got.
does. All our stuff is tiny.
I think the sizing's a bit off.
I
Newborn,
think people think Scottish have big babies.
vest. How cute is this? See, that's, how is that newborn too? So this is a side one. I think these are supposed to be quite good if you, when the umbilicus is still
Oh, okay.
attached. Newborn, teeny tiny. And newborn little long sleeve version. There we go. So then that should be 3 to 6, right?
I think so.
Let's double check. No, 0 to 3. Yeah, 0 to 3. Little long sleeves. These have built-in mittens as well. Just to save you losing the mittens.
That's
We
smart.
have quite a few mittens. I don't think we really need them because most things have built-in mittens nowadays.
That's very smart.
Little joggers to go with them. They're so cute.
They are very adorable.
0 to 3. Little joggers. And then a little giraffe thing. Was that giraffe as well? Yeah.
Yeah, but this one's coloured in.
Yeah. The long sleeve.
That is too
That's long
adorable.
sleeve too. Oh. So no short sleeve.
Okay.
0 to 3.
So if you
And
see
then-
anyone out and about with a baby in these clothes, you know
They're
they
from
had a baby
Scotland.
box. Yeah.
0 to 3. Sleep suit. It's very cute. They're all very soft as well. These don't have built-in mittens.
Okay.
But the giraffe one does. now we should be 6. No, 3 to 6. What's this? Three to 6. Little. I don't really know.
It doesn't have sleeves. It's like is the correct term a romper?
Is it like an outdoor outfit? I don't know. Maybe. We're not very good at this.
No.
Little leggings, jegging, leggings, joggers.
Sweats.
3 to 6. Same as the other ones. That's.
They love their giraffes.
I know.
It is very adorable.
I think these are kind of little sleep suits.
Just sleeveless.
Yeah, and then you can just wear the little long sleeve kind of things underneath.
Okay.
And then an actual sleep suit.
Okay. That's very cute.
Maybe all sleep suits should have like wings or clouds or something on them, so I know that they're for sleeping in. That's huge.
That is quite big.
I think the sizing is quite off of these things. And then
The most adorable
the
thing.
cutest little, what size is it? 3 to 6.
I think we might need a close-up of this one of the hood.
3 to 6. Just a little jumper. Very cute jumper. But look at the little hood. It's got ears. Little bear. Yeah, little bear. I think that's us. So I think that this is. So it comes with the.
So this is the mattress we were talking about that goes on the bottom of it.
And does it so that zips off? So it comes with the waterproof protector over the mattress.
Okay.
And that can be zipped off to wash.
Very good. Right.
There is one thing missing from the list.
Oh, is there? What have we not got?
Emery boards.
What are those?
Nail files.
Oh, okay.
Nail files.
Oh, so I'm going to bring the camera closer as we start to put everything back in.
You have to look at the box.
Yes.
Oh, here, it's a Christmas box.
What?
Wait, is it different seasons? Is it different seasons?
I don't know. Have we not noticed
This
this?
side's Christmas. This side's got snow. Well,
So we've got spring here.
what does it have on it?
Person playing hopscotch.
What's summer?
Hey, there's Nessie.
Where?
There.
Oh yeah, so that's summer.
Okay. This was it's fall. There's leaves.
And then wait till you see winter. It's a Christmas market!
Very good. So it is.
Don't have the ice rink in Edinburgh anymore. Anyway, so let's get the mattress back in. So yes, thank you for staying with us for the unboxing of the baby box. If you're wanting to see more content, well, I think there will be more baby content.
Yeah, there will be.
Now that the wee one's on the way. But yeah, if you've got any comments or questions, just put them below and we'll try and get back to you. Thanks.
Yeah, thanks for watching.